All right, this bird just flew under this truck. I don't know if you can see it. I can. He's moving around under there. So I am starting to get more comfortable with my camera. I am shy, believe it or not, I am shy. And I'm actually starting to pull out of some of my shyness with being on camera more. So one thing I love, I can hear the birds chirping, is I usually see these birds around us a lot. And I always think about how God says in the Bible not to worry, that He provides for us. And it's, look at the birds, they neither sow nor reap, but your Heavenly Father takes care of them. So when I see these birds, it's like a reminder all the time that God's taking care of me. So today, I'm going to cash my check. Oh, there's one. And God is taking care of me. He's the one who provides your jobs. He's the one who provides your hours. He provides everything, even your health to be able to work.